Hello everyone, good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom. In this session, we are going to discuss exercise 13.3 remaining questions. Exercise 13.3, question number 3. Curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeter square and its slant height is 14 centimeter. Find radius of the base and total surface area of the cone. Find the radius of the base and the total surface area of the cone. In the question it is given that CSA of the cone as 308 centimeter square and slant height L is 14 centimeter, and we have to find radius R and total surface area TSA. In this question, curved surface area, that is CSA, is given as 308 centimeter square. Then what is the equation for CSA of the cone? It is pi r L, that is equal 308. Then slant height L is given as 14 centimeter. Slant height L is given as 14 centimeter. Okay. Then here we can substitute the value of pi as 22/7 and L as 14. Then we will get 308. Then we can simplify this. Then 22 into 2, 44. 44 into R equal 308. Then R equal 308 by 44. We should divide 308 by 44. When we do the cutting method, then we will get it as 7. So its unit is centimeter. So radius is 7 centimeter. Radius is 7 centimeter. Then we have to find total surface area. Okay. So what is the equation for TSA of a cone? It is pi r into L plus r. Pi r into L plus r, that is equal 22/7 into 7 into 14 plus 7, that is equal, we can simplify this, then 22 into 14 plus 7 is 21. So 22 into 21 we should multiply, that is equal 462. 462 centimeter square. 462 centimeter square is the total surface area. Now exercise 13.3, question number 4. A conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meter. Find slant height of the tent and cost of the canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Conical tent, its height is given as 10 meter, that means H is equal 10 meter, and radius R is given as 24 meter, and first we have to find slant height L, then we have to find cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. So in the question it is given that height H equal 10 meter and base radius R equal 24 meter. Then here first we have to find L, slant height L. So the relation between L, H and R. L equal root of H square plus R square. That is equal root of 10 square plus 24 square. 10 square is 100, 24 square is 576. You can multiply and find. That is equal root of 676. When you find the square root of 676, it will be 26. So slant height L equal 26 meter. The next question is we have to find the cost of canvas required to make the tent. In the case of tent, no need to make the base. we have to make only the curved surface. Okay, so here first we can find CSA of the tent. Equation is pi r L. CSA equal pi r L, that is equal 22 by 7 into 24 into 26. 22 by 7 into 24 into 26. This much meter square. Then here we have to find the cost. Cost per meter square is rupees 70. So here the total cost is equal CSA into 70. So here after getting this only we can simplify. So 22 by 7 into 24 into 26 into 70. Then here we can simplify this. Then when we multiply 22 into 24 into 26 into 10, then we will get rupees 1,37,280. 1,37,280. So this is the cost for making the tent. Now exercise 13.3, question number 5. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter? Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. In this question it is given that use pi equal 3.14. So here we should use the value of pi as 3.14. In this question it is given that using tarpaulin cloth they need to make conical tent. So the area of the tarpaulin cloth equal CSA of the conical tent. So here first we can find CSA of the conical tent. Okay, for that they given the conical tent's height h equal 8 meter and its radius 6 meter. Okay, so we have to find L first. So L equal root of h square plus r square, that is equal root of 8 square plus 6 square, 64 plus 36, that is root 100 equal 10 meter. So here L equal 10 meter. Okay, then here we want to find CSA, that is equal pi r L. Now we have to substitute the value of pi as 3.14 according to given in the question. R is given as 6 and L we got as 10. Okay, so 3.14 into 6 into 10, that is equal 31.4 into 6. This 10 and 3.14 when we multiply, then decimal will go to right side after one digit. So 31.4 into 6, we can multiply that. That is 188.4 meter square. This is the CSA of the tent. Now this CSA of the tent and area of the tarpaulin is equal, because using the tarpaulin they made this tent. So here tarpaulin clothes breadth or width is given as 3 meter and we have to find length. Okay, in this case of length they told that 20 centimeter is used as wastage. So first we should find L, then that we should add to 20. So here area of this cloth is L into B. This is equal 188.4. Then L into 3 equal 188.4. So L equal 188.4 by 3. Then we can simplify or cutting and find the value. Then 6 3s are 18, 2 3s are 6, remaining 2, 24, 8 times. So 62.8 meter. This is the length of the tarpaulin. Okay, but here in this question it is given that 20 centimeter is used as wastage. So we can add that actual length of the cloth is equal 62.8 meter plus 20 centimeter. So here we can change the unit, convert the centimeter into meter. So 20 by 100 meter. That is equal 62.8 plus 0.2. That is 63 meter. Now exercise 13.3, question number 6. The slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. Per 100 meter square cost is rupees 210. Here we want to find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area. Okay. In this question, slant height L is given as 25 meter and diameter D is given as 14 meter. So we can find radius first. Radius equal diameter by 2. 14 by 2 equal 7 meter. Slant height L 25 meter. Radius are 7 meter. And here we have to find the cost of whitewashing curved surface. Okay. So here first we can find CSA of the tomb. That is equal CSA of the cone. That is pi RL. Then in this question we have to substitute the value of pi as 22 by 7 and R is 7 into L is 25. Then we can simplify this. Then we will get 22 into 25. That is equal 550 meter square. This is the curved surface. Then in the question it is given that per 100 meter square cost is rupees 210 per 100 meter square. Here how many 100 meter square is there? For that we want to divide it by 100. Now we can write this much 100 meter square. So this is equal 5.5 100 meter square. Okay. Then here it is given that per 100 meter square the cost is rupees 210. Therefore here the total cost equal 5.5 into 210. 5.5 into 210. That is rupees 1155. Rupees 1155. This is the cost. Now exercise 13.3, question number 7. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 cm and height 24 cm. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Joker's cap is in the shape of right circular cone. Radius is given as 7 cm. Height h is given as 24 cm. Then here we have to find area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Here we have to make only the curved surface. Here the base radius r is given as 7 cm and the height h is given as 24 cm, and we know that we have to find CSA, curved surface area. For that we need to get L. So L equal root of h square plus r square. That is equal root of 24 square plus 7 square. 24 square is 576. 7 square is 49. So root of 576 plus 49. That is equal root of 625 equal 25 centimeter. So here slant height L equal 25 centimeter. R equal 7 centimeter. Then to make one cap, how much material is required? That is same as CSA. That is equal pi RL. So we substitute the values of pi, R and L. Then we can find its value. 22 into 25. That is equal 550 centimeter square. This is the material for one cap. Here we have to find for 10 caps. So for 10 caps that is equal 550 into 10. That is equal 5500 centimeter square. 5500 centimeter square. Now exercise 13.3 last question. Question number 8. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 centimeter and height 1 meter. If the outer side of each of the cones is to be painted and the cost of painting is ₹12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? Here outer part be painted. That means we have to find CSA of the cone. Then in this question it is given that use pi equal 3.14 and root 1.04 equal 1.02. So these values we can use in this question. According to the question it is given that diameter equal 40 centimeter. So radius equal d by 2, 40 by 2 equal 20 centimeter. But the cost is given as ₹12 per meter square. So we should convert this centimeter to meter. So to convert centimeter to meter we should divide it by 100. That is equal 0.2 meter. Radius equal 0.2 meter. And height is given as 1 meter. But here we have to find CSA. So for that we have to find L, slant height. So L equal root of h square plus r square. That is equal root of 1 square plus 0.2 square. That is equal 1 plus 0.04. 2 square is 4. So 0.2 square is 0.04. So root 1.04. In the question it is given that use root 1.04 equal 1.02. So this is the slant height L, 1.02 meter. Then we have to find CSA of cone. So CSA equal pi RL. Then substitute the values of pi 3.14, R 0.2 and L 1.02. Then we should multiply these all. Then we will get 0.64056 meter square. 0.64056 meter square. This is for only 1. Here we have to find 50 such cones. So that is equal 0.64056 into 50. But here it is given that cost per meter square, this much meter square, okay. So per meter square is ₹12. So here the total cost is 0.64056 into 50 into 12. This is the total cost of painting 50 cones. So we should multiply these all, then we will get ₹384.336. This is approximately ₹384.34. Here the third digit is more than 5, so we should add 1 to the remaining. So 384.34 rupees. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.